Hey, it's Jeremy from Retro Shop, and we are out and about here in the St. Louis area showing off the FX-R projectors and the 2013 Ram headlights. Found a somewhat secluded two-lane road out here to go play on. And again, these are the FX-R projectors with 50-watt Ballast CBI bulbs. Let's fire up the high beams here. Here's your high beams, just to kind of give you an idea. And we're going to run this out to one of our, well, this will take us to another side street, but kind of give you an idea of the width on the beam here and the total light output that you get from these projectors. So enjoy. I'm going to turn on some tunes here while I'm floating away through here. I'm gonna kick it in low beam mode since that's what most people will use here. Throw on the highs just for grins, high beams, and I've got halogens in the stock section here on the highs. Here's your low beams again, high and low. I'm going to kick it off until we get up here. Alright, so we're coming up here on the highway, and I wanted to show you guys how these look out on the open road as well, versus just a deserted two-lane road. So we're going to hop on a three-lane highway here. This will give you a pretty good idea of how these will light up and, you know, the width and everything that you'll get from them. lanes of the highway there. We got 4 now because there's an exit ramp there. But pretty wide beam here out of the FX-Rs and the CBI bulbs, 50-watt ballast. If you have any questions, hit me up an email, jeremy@retroshop.us. Thank you very much.